We're going to do some writing interventions. The first one we're going to do is, what's the one that has to be, is working on connecting sentences. So I'm going to show you a couple examples of how we can use certain words called connecting words to combine sentences. So if you have two simple sentences, then you can use connecting words to combine the sentences into a more complex sentence, okay? So here are some examples if you want to look at these with me. So the first sentence is, so we're going to practice using connecting words. So the first sentence is, the house was falling apart. And then the second sentence, no one seemed to care. So we're going to use the word but to connect those two sentences. The house was falling apart, but no one seemed to care. Right? Okay, here's one more example. The glaciers began to melt. That's one sentence. The Earth's average temperature increased. That's the second sentence. So we're going to use the connecting word because to connect those two sentences and make a better, more complex sentence. The glaciers began to melt because the Earth's average temperature increased. Does that make sense? Okay. So I've got a practice for you. I've got two sentences listed here. The first sentence says, the car stalled. The second sentence, the car ran out of gas. I want you to combine these two sentences using the word because. Can you write the new sentence here using the word because? And read your new sentence for me.
The car stalled because the car ran out of gas.
Good. Very good. So you used the word because to combine the two sentences. The car stalled. And instead of saying the car again, what could you say instead of the car? So if we read the car stalled because
it ran out of gas.
Right. Then you're not repeating so many of the same words. Very good. The car stalled because it ran out of gas. So that is an example of combining sentences.